Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 79. We shall require consular invoices for the 4 cases of liquid glue, and for the square bottles of hair restorer which we are to ship to Guatemala by the Welsh Rose, sailing next Friday. Full stop. Please ask Mr. Wheeler or Mr. Weldon to see to this. Full stop. Meanwhile, as we are the insurers, see to the policy as soon as possible. Full stop. If the Wharfinger calls, I wish to see him as to the disposal of those bales from Bombay by the Emperor, now lying in the Empress Dock. Full stop. It is important to know whether it is possible or impossible to make delivery of these bales to Messrs. Ambrose and Kimber this week. Full stop. I am relying implicitly upon you to deal quickly with the mails for the Southampton boat tomorrow. Full stop.